In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an internal note in Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Zendesk account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific ticket that contains the internal note you wish to remove. This might be a note related to a previous conversation or something sensitive that you no longer want to keep in the system. Once you've opened the ticket, the next step is to locate the internal note you want to edit or delete. You'll see that each note has 3 dots or an options menu icon on the right-hand side. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open up a menu with several options. From that menu, you'll want to select Mark Text for redaction. Now, you might be wondering what redaction means in this context. In Zendesk, redaction is used to permanently scrub sensitive information from your internal notes, ensuring that it cannot be retrieved later on. Once you click on Mark Text for redaction, you'll need to highlight the specific content within the internal note that you want to delete. To do this, simply click and drag your mouse over the text you want to remove. It's important to be precise here, so take your time to make sure you only highlight what you want to delete. After you've highlighted the text, you'll notice that a new option appears above the highlighted section. Click on Mark for redaction. This step is crucial because it tells Zendesk that you are serious about deleting that information. The next thing you'll need to do is click on the red Redact button that appears. At this stage, some of you might have a moment of hesitation, and that's perfectly normal. Before finalizing the redaction, Zendesk will prompt you to confirm your choice. Please keep in mind that this step is essential. Once you confirm, the information will be gone forever. Redaction is a permanent action and cannot be undone, so make sure that you're absolutely certain before proceeding. Now that you've confirmed the redaction, the next part is to finalize the changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the ticket window and look for the button that says Submit as Open. You might also see options to update the status, depending on your workflow. Clicking this button will apply the deletion, ensuring that the internal note is removed from your ticket history. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an internal note in Zendesk. It's a straightforward process once you know how, but it's always good to be cautious when handling sensitive information. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please consider subscribing and liking it. Your support helps me create more content like this.